Elon Musk. The name alone sparks innovation, controversy, and ambition. At 54 years old, Musk has revolutionized multiple industries, from electric cars and reusable rockets to AI and brain tech. But how did he get here? What lessons shaped him? In this video, we unpack 10 life-changing lessons Elon Musk has learned in his 54 years. Ideas that could change your life too. Welcome back to the channel. We're excited to embark on this journey of discovery with you. Today we're diving deep into the mindset, the very core beliefs and thought processes behind Elon Musk's world-changing success. We're talking about the engine that powers innovation on a global scale. This isn't just about rockets, or the sheer spectacle of space exploration, or cars, and the revolution in sustainable transportation that Tesla has ignited. It's about the core principles, the fundamental philosophies that drive someone to not just predict, but actively reshape the future for all of us. We've distilled decades of Musk's life, poring over countless interviews, analyzing his triumphs, and learning from his very public failures, into 10 powerful lessons, actionable insights that you can use right now to unlock your own potential. If you've ever had a dream that seemed impossible, a vision that others dismissed as pure fantasy, this is absolutely for you. This is your guide to thinking bigger and achieving more. We'll break down the exact mindset, the specific thought patterns and strategies that took Elon from a kid in South Africa, with big dreams and even bigger ambitions, to launching rockets, pushing the boundaries of space exploration and building the future of transportation, revolutionizing industries along the way. So grab a notebook and get ready to take some notes, because this is going to be packed with valuable information. Here are the 10 rules, the guiding principles that Elon Musk lives by, that have shaped his extraordinary journey. Let's get started and unlock the secrets to an extraordinary mindset. Lesson 1. Embrace failure. For Musk, if you're not failing, you're not innovating. Remember those early SpaceX explosions? Each one was a lesson, not a defeat. Failure is proof you're pushing boundaries. Treat every setback as tuition for success. Learn, adapt, and move closer to your goal. Lesson 2. Never stop learning. Musk taught himself rocket science by reading and asking questions. He's a perpetual student, always updating his knowledge. In a fast-changing world, continuous learning is survival. Read, ask, and upgrade your mind constantly. The moment you stop learning, you start falling behind. Lesson 3. Take bold risks, but make them calculated. Musk bet his fortune on SpaceX and Tesla, but only after deep analysis. He breaks problems down to first principles and does the math. Don't gamble. Do your homework, then go all in. Be bold, but be smart. Lesson 4. Focus on solving real problems, not just making money. Musk tackled electric cars and space travel to address climate change and humanity's future. Money follows impact. Find a problem you care about and dedicate yourself to solving it. The success will follow. Lesson 5. Outwork everyone. Don't just meet expectations, exceed them. Go the extra mile, push your limits, and consistently outperform those around you. Musk's legendary work ethic, 80 to 100 hours a week, is a testament to his dedication. This shows commitment beats talent, especially when talent lacks the drive to put in the necessary effort. It's not about burnout, but relentless focus. Maintain a clear vision and unwavering dedication to your objectives. Talent is a start, but hard work creates momentum. It builds upon itself, leading to greater achievements over time. Be obsessed with your goal and put in the hours. Dedicate yourself fully to your craft and invest the time required to master it. Effort compounds into genius. Consistent hard work, dedication, and focus will ultimately lead to exceptional results. Lesson 6. Build a brilliant team. Musk surrounds himself with passionate, talented people. He hires for drive and mission, not just resumes. Your success reflects your team. Empower others and build together. Lesson 7. Question everything. Musk uses first principles thinking. Break problems down to basics and reason up. Don't accept that's how it's done. Ask why, dig deep, and build better solutions. Curiosity leads to breakthroughs. Lesson 8. Dream big, really big. Musk's goals, like colonizing Mars, sound crazy until they're reality. Huge ambitions force new ways of thinking. Don't settle for small improvements. Aim for revolutionary change. What's your Mars? Go after it. Big dreams inspire big action. Lesson 9. Adapt fast. Musk's companies constantly iterate. Build, test, learn, repeat. If something isn't working, change it immediately. Flexibility is a superpower in a changing world. Don't cling to old ideas. Embrace new ones. Stay agile to stay ahead. Lesson 10. Use your success to help others. Musk's mission is to solve humanity's biggest challenges, not just make money. True success is measured by positive impact. As you achieve, think about your legacy. Make the world better than you found it. There you have it, a glimpse into the mind and methods of a visionary. 10 powerful lessons distilled from Elon Musk's playbook, offering insights into innovation, resilience, and leadership. These are strategies that have propelled him to the forefront of technological advancement. But these lessons aren't just for billionaires or tech giants. They're universally applicable for anyone ready to think bigger, push boundaries, and challenge the status quo in their own lives and ventures. Pick just one lesson, the one that resonates most with you, and start applying it this week. Even small steps can lead to significant change. Question assumptions, challenge conventional wisdom, and dare to see the world differently. Commit to lifelong learning, expand your knowledge base, and embrace new skills that will empower you to achieve your goals. Or take a leap of faith and chase that big dream you've been putting off. The time to start is now. Remember, the future isn't something that happens to us. It's built by those who dare to act, innovate, and create. Thanks so much for watching and joining us on this journey of discovery. If you found value in these insights, please give us a like, subscribe to stay updated with more content, and share this video with your network. Let's spread this entrepreneurial mindset far and wide and build a better, more innovative future together. Until next time, keep dreaming big, working hard, and never stop believing in your potential to change the world.